Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Miami-Dade, Florida, USA. A man, Jermaine Bell, drinks bleach in the courtroom as he hears a verdict read that he has been found guilty. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Breaking news coming out of Miami-Dade, Florida, ladies and gentlemen. A Florida man drinks a cup of bleach after finding out that the jury has found him guilty of armed robbery. Listen, Jermaine Bell is in the Miami-Dade County Courthouse right now. Still, because he must think that when he drink bleach, them niggas gonna let him out. Well, it's a letting him get teach. Listen, people. Here you see this man, obviously with a cup in hand, inside of the Miami-Dade County Court in Florida. He start downing a cup of bleach in the courtroom moments after hearing the jury read the verdict, which found him guilty of armed robbery. In Florida, they no ramp with you. They have one thing, them 10-20 life. You are going to get caught with it, do a crime with it, hurt somebody with it at different levels. Now, Jermaine Bell is a young man among 38-year-old and has spent more than 3 years in jail trying to fight this 2018 robbery that he committed in December. Got him having pan video. Me I gonna show you it. He was convicted. He pulled a weapon, a firearm, at employees at a Millennium Engine plant and really disguised himself and thought he could get away. He disguised himself actually as a courier, like he was delivering something. Bell was seen drinking the bleach from a white disposable cup. How he got it, that is the question where we want to know. It seems like the officers approached him with a trash can in his hand, attempting to have the inmate spit out the liquid or throw away the cup. I don't know what it is, but Bell continued to drink from the cup until he eventually sat down. He immediately became sick after drinking the bleach and was transported from the courthouse in Miami on a stretcher, where he was taken to the hospital and received medical treatment. One thing with foreign, them now make you the prisoner them get well, because them need to lock up that and charge that. Bell is in stable condition. Let me not tell you them just give him some whole heap of milk and pump in belly. At the hospital after investigating, they found out that he drank bleach, but it remained unclear. How did he obtain this bleach in the courtroom? Questions are being asked. You are gonna take. They didn't bring it in and put it down and foot or somebody. It appears that nobody intervened when he was drinking the product. Listen to it. The man, the reverend says, I see him drinking something. That's not right. Reverend Jerome Starling, a distant relative of Bell, told the local 10 News there in Florida. His attorney are letting him drink it. Corrections are letting him drink it. All of a sudden, I see him collapse and said, how could that happen? How could this happen? Startling said, they're not accountable. I mean, they weren't paying attention. They need to be held accountable for what happened in the courtroom. Bell's cousin, who recorded the whole incident, said she immediately attempted to save him. I was the only one, jumped up and tried to help him. She said, she told Channel 10. She was very emotional. And she said this is very traumatic for the whole family. We thought we were going to lose Jermaine that day. The Miami Court Corrections and Miami-Dade Police were investigating the incident. Miami Police are not responding to the questions that are being asked by the local news station. But listen to me. I probably all see him cousin a girl there. I would have seen a man they bring in the bleach, you know. Cause me not sure if him was behind bars or if him come in or what. But him shouldn't have no drinking substance because him must depend bail. I him bring the bleach in and put her in foot. And probably walk out. Bring it in under some paper or something like that and a disguise. And say, yo, me not go back to jail. Because him come out and him figure out how much time him a go make. Pass him along. So me will show you the video. Channel 10 the pan it attack. And like me say, me just report it so you could see say people are fool. You know, me attack pan it. I build context pan it. Because I don't want them to say, yo, copyright. Listen what I say. Listen up the news. I'm going to start it over so you can hear it from the beginning. I'm going to put on the audio. I realize you have to put on the audio.
Robbery, facing life behind bars, and he drinks something from this cup.
Spin it up, man.
He's been in custody for more than 3 years fighting the charges. And on verdict day,
so in the day of jail, in the day of so
what happened in a Miami-Dade County courtroom.
Listen.
Jermaine Bell, just found guilty of armed robbery, facing life behind bars, and he drinks something from this cup.
Spit it up, man.
He's been in custody for more than 3 years fighting the charges, and on verdict day sips what his family says was a bleach-type chemical from the cup. Immediately, he becomes sick.
I just told you he ate a nappy. Y'all ain't gonna help him get it out.
So sick, he's taken out of the courtroom on a stretcher and taken to the hospital. He would survive, but serious questions. How could this have happened?
I see him drinking something that's not right, and that his attorneys are letting him drink it, the corrections are letting him drink it, and all of a sudden, I see him collapse. And I'm like, what just happened?
Reverend Jerome Starling is a distant relative of Bell and says there needs to be accountability.
This should not be happening to people that's in custody at all.
Jerome's cousin took the video. She couldn't believe what was happening. How does an inmate get a chemical into a courtroom like this and then sit there and drink it?
I was the only one that jumped up and tried to get him help.
His family wants answers.
Very emotional for the whole thing. We thought we was going to lose Jermaine that day.
Watch what happened in a Miami.
Listen, people. I think the family them involved in this now. I probably the same woman there. Where you see them on interview, she hide herself. Bring your bleach, go and get you out. Because if him in a custody, how? And him not leave from over there, so how him get bleach for drink? How him get bleach for drink? You shouldn't rob nobody. And you shouldn't use your arms. You are going to get life in a prison. And your belly get warm. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. I'm reporting that a Florida man convicted of armed robbery attempt to drink the whole Clorox company. But him only get 1 cup down and couldn't go further. He dropped down in a courtroom and then bring him on his stretcher and go make sure him pump him belly and bring him right back to jail. You can't escape. He has been found guilty of armed robbery and will spend the rest of his life in a jail. So when him get rolled out on his stretcher there, so I wonder last time him man get a free ride out the road. And see ear, and see a nurse, and see stoplight and stop sign, and they think there. Life in prison. And that thing get for armed robbery in a Florida. Hit that red subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your comment on a one ya. In get whole for you rob somebody. And you see how foreign deal with the robber them. You see how life in a prison. And then try to take out him life with blades like you don't realize it. That thing not to work. Just pump him belly and give him some milk, make him vomit. He might go have a bad upset stomach for a minute though. More life and more joy and more happiness, ladies and gentlemen. Hit that red subscribe button. Leave a comment. You see where criminal try to go through to get out of paying them just rewards? When you're doing crime, remember, you have some man named police and soldier and judge a fight against crime.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shit and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier, real fire king. Yeah, balalang bang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in. We are every time. We're watching Deep Roots TV.
My name is Akaya, and you're watching Deep Roots TV.
Watching Deep Roots TV.
Deep Roots TV.
You're watching Deep Roots TV. Deep Roots TV. Log on Deep Roots.
Hello, I am Carla. I am watching Deep Roots TV.
Tune into Deep Roots TV. Log in, subscribe, online, YouTube. Get there or be square. Jacob said that.